guys, and welcome to my channel. This is Simply CM, and thank you so much for joining in and watching. Remember, subscribe, like, do whatever you want, but do something, god damn it, do something.
Okay, nice. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is Monday, and katatapos ko lang mag-work. It's so early. Nag-work ako guys from 7 in the morning, tapos 10:30 off na, and now we are on our way to Copenhagen. We're gonna eat a Lebanese food, and first time kung makapunta sa restaurant na yun. Martin said it's been there a second time, so let's see. And it's perfect kasi I'm so hungry today. Hindi ako nag-breakfast. It's 11 in the morning. So yun yung gagawin namin guys. We're on the way there, and I hope na masarap yung pagkain. Sana. So yun. See you later. Andito na kami guys. Kami lang ata yung customer dito. So ganito na yung pagkain namin. Tingnan nyo, ang dami. At ang sarap. As in, yung rice nila, ganito. Daming meat guys. I don't think makakain natin ito lahat. So, kaya babalot namin, sayang din naman. So yun guys, tapos na kaming kumain. Sobrang dami ng pagkain. Yung in-order ni Martin parang for family. Yung in-order ni Martin for family kasi nga sobrang nagutom kami. Hindi kami nag-breakfast, and then last night hindi din kami talaga nag-dinner kasi sobrang pagod, so natulog na. So Martin picked me up from work, and then after dumiretso na kami doon sa Leban cuisine. So Lebanese food siya. Masarap din. Sobrang sobrang heavy food for the day. So daming sobrang leftover, so binalot namin, and then now we know na anong kakainin namin for dinner. So yun na. So kahit mahal siya, sulit din naman kasi may pagkain ka pa later tonight, and then baka may leftover pa for next day, dadalhin ko sa work. So yun guys, right now we are driving, uwi na kami, and ang dami naming gagawin sa bahay. Maglalaba, alam yun na yung gawain pang bahay. So yun, today is Monday pala. Anong araw ang Monday? Wait lang.
Monday the
18. Yes, July 18, 2022. Yun, see you later. Thank you so much for watching, at I hope na i-try nyo din yung mga Lebanese food. Kasi ang dami pala talagang pwedeng kainin from different countries. Yun. So yun guys, thank you. Hi.
There's no gravity that sucked me in your orbit. There's no magnet that was in your heart. The one restriction was the friction.